Yeah, hi guys. I've just got my caravan plugged in to the solar system I've installed. It's just a traditional older way of doing solar. Um, so basically, that's plugged into my solar system at the moment, and I've connected the air conditioner and switched it on, and yeah, it seems to be working fine. I've switched the grid power off. As you can see, I've got 0 volts coming in from the grid, and I just wanted to show you what's happening. I've got 789, nearly 800 watts of power being used from my system, or my batteries, and the load's 33%. Also, I've got 24.6 volts coming in out of the battery, 0.5, so it's dropping slightly with the load that it's on it. 0 amps coming from the solar panels. I'm assuming that's feeding the air conditioner at the moment at 24 volts. So yeah, as again, there you go. I've got no power, just to show that it's working. Right, from the grid. So 24.5 volts. The battery's at the moment at 26 amps coming out of the batteries. So it's not a great deal of amps to run a small air conditioner. Seems to work. I've heard the compressor switch off and on a couple of times. Doesn't seem to bother the system. I do know that though, if I've got the grid plugged in, it will bypass. So I don't know why it does that, but obviously, you know, when it knows the grid's there, it'll bypass to a better source, which is okay. But if you're off grid, you wouldn't have grid power there anyway. So to answer most people's questions there, this will run an air conditioner. For how long? I'm not sure. Yeah, it'd have to be dependent on how many panels and how many batteries you got. Obviously, I've got four 300 watt solar panels up on the roof, and I've got 6 100 amp hour batteries. So I don't really use it for air conditioning. This is just for a shed, but I just wanted to trial it out and see what it was like with an air conditioner plugged into it. Seems to be coping okay. Voltage is fairly stable at 24.4. Pretty sunny day. Yep, sunny day here in Australia, and yeah, I think it would work. I don't think there'd be an issue with it. As I said, for the time frame, I'm not sure. I should probably just leave it on, come back again, but I've got other things to do. So I'm quite happy with the performance of it. So yeah, and I've got 100 amp hour, sorry, 100 amp fuse for the load off the batteries, and a 30 amp fuse for the input from the solar panels, which go all the way up there to my roof. Anyway, I hope that's helpful for people out there. See you later.